Microsoft Defender for Identity is a cloud-based security solution designed to protect your organization from advanced threats targeting your on-premises Active Directory environment. Microsoft Defender for Identity is a cloud-based security solution that monitors and analyzes identity-based threats in your Active Directory environment. It is now fully integrated with Microsoft Defender XDR, providing a unified security operations experience. Defender for Identity uses a sensor-based architecture that monitors traffic between your on-premises Active Directory environment and cloud services. It connects to your domain controllers, AD federation services, and certificate services to detect suspicious activities. Microsoft Defender for Identity offers several key capabilities. It monitors user behavior patterns to establish baselines and detect anomalies. The solution provides advanced threat detection using machine learning algorithms to identify suspicious activities. It also performs identity security posture assessments and facilitates investigation and incident response. Defender for Identity specializes in detecting advanced threats targeting your Active Directory. It identifies reconnaissance activities, lateral movement, and privilege escalation attempts. The solution visualizes attack timelines and provides detailed information about the kill chain, allowing security teams to understand the full scope of an attack. Microsoft Defender for Identity provides comprehensive dashboards for monitoring your identity security. The Identity Threat Detection and Response dashboard gives you visibility into cloud, on-premises, and hybrid users, as well as deployment health and privileged identities. Specialized dashboards provide detailed information on Active Directory events, such as account lockouts and suspicious modifications. Defender for Identity is now fully integrated with Microsoft Defender XDR, providing a unified security operations experience. This integration enables centralized alert management, cross-domain threat correlation, shared investigation capabilities, and automated response workflows. Security teams can now manage identity-based threats alongside endpoint, email, and cloud application security from a single console. To summarize, Microsoft Defender for Identity helps protect your on-premises Active Directory environment from advanced threats. It monitors user behavior, detects suspicious activities, and provides detailed investigation capabilities. With its integration into Microsoft Defender XDR, it delivers a unified security operations experience to enhance your organization's overall security posture. Before implementing Microsoft Defender for Identity, let's ensure you have all the necessary prerequisites and licensing in place. To get started with Microsoft Defender for Identity, you'll need three key components: an active Microsoft 365 tenant, a configured Active Directory environment, and domain controllers that meet the hardware and software requirements. Microsoft Defender for Identity connects your on-premises Active Directory infrastructure with cloud-based security analytics. The architecture includes sensors deployed on your domain controllers that monitor network traffic and forward it to the cloud service for analysis. Your Active Directory environment must meet several requirements. You need at least one domain controller running Windows Server 2008 R2 Service Pack 1 or later versions. The forest and domain functional levels should be Windows 2003 or above. Additionally, DNS settings must be properly configured, and you'll need a directory service account with read permissions. Your domain controllers need to meet specific hardware and software requirements to run the Defender for Identity sensor efficiently. For hardware, you need at least 2 CPU cores, 6 GB of RAM, 10 GB of storage, and a 1 gigabit network connection is recommended. For software, you need Windows Server 2008 R2 Service Pack 1 or later, .NET Framework 4.7 or later, all Windows updates, and the Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable package. Let's discuss licensing options for Microsoft Defender for Identity. You have two main options. First, it's included as part of Microsoft 365 E5 licenses, which provide a complete security suite. Alternatively, you can purchase standalone Defender for Identity licenses to add to your existing subscriptions. When comparing different Microsoft 365 and Office 365 plans, be sure to check which security components are included in each package. For new customers, Microsoft has simplified the onboarding process. Once you subscribe to the appropriate license, you'll automatically gain access to the Microsoft Defender XDR portal. From there, you'll install sensors on your domain controllers and start monitoring for threats. This streamlined process makes it easier to connect your Microsoft 365 tenant with your on-premises Active Directory environment, enabling comprehensive identity threat detection across your hybrid infrastructure. To summarize the prerequisites and licensing for Microsoft Defender for Identity, you need an active Microsoft 365 tenant, a properly configured Active Directory environment, and either a Microsoft 365 E5 license or a standalone Defender for Identity license. Ensure your domain controllers meet the hardware and software requirements we discussed. Remember that onboarding is now automatic for new customers, which simplifies the setup process. Use the license dashboard to track and manage your subscriptions. Connecting to Microsoft Defender XDR and performing initial configuration is a crucial step in setting up Microsoft Defender for Identity. The first step is to access the Microsoft Defender XDR portal at security.microsoft.com. The portal provides a unified interface for managing all Microsoft Defender security services, including Defender for Identity. Next, navigate to the Identities section through the Settings menu. In the Settings page, you'll find various configuration options. The Identities section is where you'll manage Defender for Identity settings. After accessing the Identities section, you need to connect your Active Directory forest to Defender for Identity by creating an instance. Defender for Identity monitors your entire Active Directory forest structure, including all domains and trust relationships. Creating an instance establishes a secure connection between your on-premises Active Directory and the Microsoft Defender Cloud Service. Once your forest is connected, you'll need to configure the sensor settings, specifying which domain controllers to monitor. Select the domain controllers you want to monitor. These servers will have the Defender for Identity sensor installed. After installation, you can view and manage all your sensors from the Defender XDR portal. It's important to note that the classic Defender for Identity portal is being phased out. Users are now automatically redirected to the Microsoft Defender XDR portal. This integration provides a unified security operations experience, connecting your on-premises identity infrastructure with Microsoft's cloud security services. Microsoft Defender XDR provides a central location to monitor and protect your organization's identities, streamlining security management across your environment. When Microsoft Defender for Identity detects suspicious activity, it generates alerts that security teams must investigate. Let's explore how to effectively investigate these alerts and respond to security incidents. When investigating alerts, follow these 6 key steps to ensure a thorough investigation. The first step is to review the alert details. Pay attention to the alert name, severity level, detection time, and potential impact. Each alert includes a timeline showing when suspicious activities occurred, helping you understand the progression of the potential attack. Defender for Identity maps alerts to the MITRE ATT&CK framework, which classifies adversary tactics and techniques. This helps you understand the attacker's objectives and behavior patterns. After identifying an attack, determine its scope by following a structured incident response process. This involves gathering evidence, analyzing affected systems, and understanding the full extent of the breach. Defender for Identity provides powerful tools for investigation, including entity profiles, lateral movement path analysis, and advanced hunting capabilities. Based on your investigation findings, take appropriate remediation actions. These may include disabling compromised user accounts, resetting passwords, isolating affected systems, applying security patches, and updating security policies. Administrators can fine-tune alert sensitivity using the Remove Learning Period setting. This allows you to balance comprehensive detection coverage with minimizing false positives based on your organization's risk tolerance. To effectively investigate alerts in Microsoft Defender for Identity, remember to thoroughly review all alert components. Understand the attack context. use investigation tools to determine full scope, implement appropriate remediation actions, and tune alert sensitivity to your specific environment. Microsoft Defender for Identity leverages advanced threat analytics to detect suspicious activities and anomalies across your network. Defender for Identity detects several types of threats, including reconnaissance activities, credential theft, lateral movement, domain dominance, and privilege escalation. The Threat Analytics dashboard provides comprehensive visibility into various threat categories, including ransomware, phishing, vulnerabilities, and activity groups. This dashboard allows security teams to monitor the latest threats, high-impact threats, and identify areas of highest exposure within your organization. Defender for Identity creates visual attack paths showing how attackers move through your network. Red nodes indicate compromised systems, while green nodes represent systems with expected behaviors. Defender for Identity allows you to customize detection settings to reduce false positives and align with your organization's security policies. You can adjust alert sensitivity, enable or disable specific detections, configure periodic scanning, and set up notification preferences to fit your specific needs. A new capability in Defender for Identity offers centralized visibility into service accounts across Active Directory. This feature automatically identifies group managed service accounts, and user accounts operating as service accounts. Advanced Threat Analytics in Defender for Identity provides numerous benefits for your organization's security posture. These include early threat detection, reduced attack surface, minimized attacker dwell time, intelligence integration, and risk-based alert prioritization. Let's explore the best practices for maximizing the effectiveness of Microsoft Defender for Identity in your organization. First, regularly review and update your security policies. Set a schedule to audit and refine your security configurations to address emerging threats. Your security policy should include regular audits of authentication settings, encryption standards, and network protocols to maintain a strong security posture. Second, consistently monitor the Defender for Identity dashboard and investigate alerts promptly. Timely response to suspicious activities is critical to prevent security breaches. Create a systematic approach for handling alerts by reviewing them daily, prioritizing high-severity threats, establishing clear response procedures, and documenting incident patterns to improve future detection. Third, educate your users about common attack vectors and security awareness. Well-informed users are your first line of defense against social engineering and credential-based attacks. Implement regular security awareness training covering phishing attack recognition, password security, social engineering tactics, and proper handling of sensitive data to strengthen your security posture. Fourth, implement multi-factor authentication to protect user accounts. MFA significantly reduces the risk of compromised credentials by requiring additional verification beyond passwords. Multi-factor authentication reduces the risk of credential theft by 99.9%, prevents unauthorized access even when passwords are stolen, provides an additional security layer for privileged accounts, and helps meet compliance requirements. Fifth, keep your domain controllers and Defender for Identity sensors up to date. Regular updates ensure you have the latest security patches and detection capabilities. Establish an update protocol that includes applying security patches within 30 days, testing updates in a staging environment, monitoring for sensor version mismatches, and creating scheduled maintenance windows to minimize disruption. Finally, experts recommend implementing best-in-class managed service providers to enhance your security posture. MSPs can provide specialized expertise and 24/7 monitoring capabilities. Managed service providers offer numerous benefits, including 24/7 security monitoring, specialized expertise in threat detection and response, dedicated incident response teams, compliance management assistance, and cost-effective security enhancement. By implementing these 6 best practices, you'll maximize the effectiveness of Microsoft Defender for Identity and significantly enhance your organization's security posture against identity-based threats.